Our goal was to invent something new and to challenge ourselves. In addition, we wanted to bring a new design since the design of the original drone has some flaws.
The design of the drone is unique. It uses 2 propellers instead of 4 or 6 that is usually found on drones. This allows us to increase the propeller size, which increases the efficiency of the drone. As you can see, the propellers are also hidden inside the fuselage, preventing collisions with obstacles like people or trees. This means that the drone is safer in urban environments and can also be flown in areas with a lot of obstacles, for example forests.
We use the Raspberry Pi as our central source of computing power. In addition, we paired this single board computer with an Adafruit servo hat, which allowed precise access to pulse width modulation used to control the servos and motors in our design.
Another thing that makes our drone unique is the propulsion system. Our drone uses high-speed propellers that accelerate the air through the funnels and out through the wings. By adjusting the tilt of the wings, we can control the movement, tilt, and rotation of the drone. The tilt of the wings is controlled by microservos and gears attached to each wing. With the aid of these 6 different controllable surfaces, the drone can be controlled easily and precisely.
A problem with modern drones is that the range isn't very good because they are controlled via remote control, which has limits, so the range is usually 3 to 4 kilometers.
We also decided to go for a web-based controlling solution as it aims to provide better support for automation and theoretically provides infinite range if the Raspberry Pi would be armed with the SIM card. Using Google's Firebase database, Python, and Android Studio, we were able to create an app on your phone used to control our drone. This abolishes the need for a traditional RC controller, and it is in our interest. Currently, it is in our interest to further develop this application to, for example, improve the automation capabilities.
In our new model of the drone, we have given solutions to these problems.